I fight for my rights every day. I am fighting a bad cold right now. I have just fought my toughest opponent. I have been fighting this lawsuit for months. I fought in the tournament last year. I was fighting sleep during the long drive. I had fought many battles before I became champion. I had been fighting the fever for days before it broke. I will fight for this promotion next week. I will be fighting in the ring at 8 tonight. I will have fought 5 matches by the end of the season. By June, I will have been fighting for this cause for a decade.